Hey, we're solving this equation here, and you can see the equation written in algebra symbols here or in a picture here. So it has 1x plus 3x's, and that's what you see right there, 1x plus 3x, and 1x and 12 is on this side, which is what it says here. And it has this equal sign in the middle because it's an equation. So what that means is that the two sides are balanced. The equal sign would be like this part. You might put it here in the picture, and it's saying that if I click, is it still balanced? So let me click, is it still balanced? Because there's an equal sign, it means that they are balanced and it's not going to tip. Let's see. Okay, so that green check means it was still balanced. So what would we do to solve this equation? Well, if we were working with paper and pencil, we would combine the 1x plus the 3x into 4x's. And that's because they're on the same side of the equation. They're both here, okay, on the left side of the equation, or you could see in the picture, they're both in the left pan. So I can sort of just drag those together, like just put them together like this, okay? And it didn't, if it was balanced before, it should still be balanced, because having these separate or having them together doesn't make this pan get heavier or lighter. It doesn't change the weight of it, it's just putting them into one stack. So it should still be balanced. If I click, is it still balanced? It should work. Let's look for our green check. Okay, we got the green check and it didn't tip. So it's still balanced, just dragging those two stacks into the one stack is still balanced. Now what are we going to do now? Well, our goal is to have an answer that says x equals a number. So this side is going to just be like a number. It's not going to have any x's in it. We don't want to have this x here. We just want to have x on only one side, okay? And then a number on the other side. So I'm going to remove this x. Okay. Now, I'm about to make a mistake because I should, to keep it balanced, I also need to take an x off of this side. I need to take this x off of here as well. But let's say I forget to do that. What's it going to show in the picture? So since I made this side lighter by taking something off of it, this side is now too light. So if I click, is it still balanced? It's not going to be balanced anymore. You're going to see it tip. Okay. See it tipping? Okay, because it's not balanced anymore. And it says check to see if you eliminated the same thing from both sides. Well, I didn't, because I took an x off of this side, but not off of this side. So that's my clue. I should remove an x from both sides. Okay, so I can click, is it still balanced? And let's see if we get our green check. There it is. Okay, now if I feel stuck, I can always click this. This is here to help me. So I can click, I'm stuck. And it's going to give me a clue about dividing, using the divide tool. You can read that to yourself later. But it says to use the divide tool because I have 3 x's balanced with 12 ones, but I want to find out how much is each x. So I'm going to drag the divide tool and I'm going to drag it to 3. If I have 3 x's, I should divide by 3. If I have 5 x's, I should divide by 5. Whatever, you divide by how many x's you have. Okay, and I'm going to click, is it balanced? I can check my work, and I did it.